Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. It's been a while since I did a Mullen Automotive stock update, but I want to share with you guys some positive catalysts that have come in the direction for Mullen. Now, as of 3 days ago, Mullen's stock price is down around 65% year to date. Now, before pre-market Thursday last week, Mullen's stock price rallied around 20% as rumors were going around that their commercial Class 1 EV cargo vans are going to be delivered. Currently, the Mullen stock price is at 12 cents, and we have seen some momentum over the last 5 days. Now, I want to tell you guys the context. Last December, Randy Marion Isuzu agreed to purchase 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans from Mullen for around $200 million. Now, at that time, Mullen said that they would expect deliveries to start in the first quarter of 2023. And as you guys know, we're on the 30th of March today, and tomorrow is the 31st of March, so we really are approaching that deadline. Now, I want to quote this article on Investor Place. Now, they said that Randy Marion Isuzu is a division of the Randy Marion Automotive Group, RMA. So the RMA CEO and founder, Randy Marion, said the following about the deal at the time, and this is what's key. He said, "We see a tremendous opportunity with the Mullen commercial portfolio, and the launch of the commercial van could not come at a better time. There's significant pent-up customer demand for Mullen to fulfill. I have many customers looking at me to find product for their companies." So is Mullen even becoming the choice of electric vehicle for company cars? Now, also earlier this month, the Mullen CEO, David Michery, released a statement saying the following. He said, "Mullen anticipates making Class 1 EV deliveries to various commercial customers before the end of March 2023 in connection with the customer orders referenced below." Now, the customer orders referenced below refers to the RMI deal. So that's the Randy Marion Isuzu deal where they've agreed to purchase 6,000 of the Class 1 EV cargo vans, and that was for around $200 million. Also in the statement, the CEO also disclosed that Mullen had 87.4 million of cash and cash equivalents as of February 28th, 2023, and the company does expect to receive 110 million from firm commitments by June 1st, 2023. So I believe that this may have been a little bit extended if the deliveries were supposed to take place in the first quarter. He said that Michery believes that these combined values should allow Mullen to execute on its business plan over the next 12 months. So I take it that when these companies, such as Randy Marion Isuzu, which has made a bulk order of 6,000 vehicles, when they make the payment, Mullen can then start operations. So that is why the stock price has rallied. And another reason is the following. So there's been a lot of negative sentiment for Mullen. My previous videos, I was just explaining that we had a lot of promises and nothing was yet being delivered. And we kind of just have to wait and see, but I wasn't feeling so positive on Mullen. Now, this is definitely positive news for the price, but they do still need to have the deliveries by June 1st, 2023. They should start making revenue by then. So let's hope that this rumor of this delivery cargo vans actually does take place and actually does get delivered and that they get their funding. So that does help the stock price, and that helps investors as well who have already invested in Mullen. By the way, as of right now, I do not hold any Mullen stock. But yeah, as I was saying about the negative sentiment, Mullen Automotive filed a lawsuit for damages sustained from a false article. So they got some negative publicity and they filed a civil complaint for defamation in the Superior Court of Delaware. Now, this is about an article that had false and defamatory statements regarding Mullen, and it was regarding the terms of a settlement agreement of a civil action. So that is an ongoing process. It could cause a Mullen stock price rally if they do win this case as well. Now, you guys know that the shareholders of Mullen, and probably you guys watching this video if you have invested, we're all a very tight-knit community, and I find it very interesting to see how the Mullen stock is performing and how the company is doing, but I'm a little bit more risk averse to where they're at right now. I think it is a very risky stage, and only until they start making deliveries and having a global footprint, that's when I believe as time goes on and they prove that, I will invest in Mullen. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, this is not financial advice. I only share my opinions on what I'm seeing in the news and my opinions with my financial knowledge. I might not be right, and the stock market is also very volatile, and there's different perspectives on whether to buy or sell a stock. So just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything, because your capital can be at risk, especially with penny stocks like Mullen, penny stocks that are more in the startup phase or haven't yet really established themselves. You know, Mullen hasn't made the deliveries yet. Until it starts doing that, penny stocks are always going to be very, very volatile, and they're more of a gamble, to be honest. So just bear that in mind. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.